So the company Insta360 has kindly sent me out this bike bundle to test and review with the X5. So now let's get it out of the box and see what you get. Here we go. First of all, we've got your instructions manual. So first of all, we've got this Insta360 chest harness. And then we've got 4 1/4" screws here. And then we've got the 1/4" thread there with the 2-prong adapter. And then we've got the 3-prong to 1/4" adapter. And then we've got the mount extension there. And then we've got 4 anti-slip rings. And then finally, the handlebar mount. So now we've unboxed all the bike bundle, let's take a closer look at the handlebar mount. So you'll just slacken this side off. That's going to then fit onto your handlebar and then close around it, tightly fasten back on. Again, stick around because later in the video I'm going to be attaching this to the bike and getting some test footage. And then we've got 2 ball and socket joints here, top and bottom. If we just slacken this off, that'll loosen the top ball. And then this one, because this is going to be fixed onto the handlebar, so now you're going to be able to mount this in any direction you want, just on the picture, just like on the picture behind there. So I'll just tighten that back up with the 1/4" thread at the top. And now let's take a closer look at the chest harness. That's a non-slip mat on the back there, so for obvious reasons that's not going to slip and slide on your body. Again, this is a really well made bit of kit. And then this will just rotate any direction to get that better perspective. And as you can see straight out the box, you get the 3 prongs there. And that's not going to fit directly onto the X5. As you can see, we've got the 1/4" thread mount. So that's why it comes with all these extra accessories. So now we can attach the 2-prong to the 3-prong with one of the 1/4" screws that you get, one of 4. And now we've got the 2-prong adapter on there, we'll be able to mount the X5 with the 1/4" thread. And now you can see that the 2-prong adapter is attached to the 1/4" thread mount on the X5, and that's securely fastened, as you can see. So that's going to be great to get some test footage. So now I'm going to mount the chest harness on my body and get some test footage on the bike also, as well as the mount. So now we've got the X5 attached to the chest harness. I'll just show you how to put it on. There's just 2 quick release clips on this one. So the bottom one goes around the body. Top one goes around the shoulder. And as you can see, that's firmly in place. So now let's get some test footage on the bike with this. Here we go. Right, to attach the handlebar mount, just slacken this off, open that up, get it where you want on the bike, see that, and just screw that into place. Now that the mount's securely on the handlebar, we'll just slacken the ball and joint. And we can freely rotate this. Just tighten it back up because I'm going to put the X5 on top. And now I'm just going to fix the X5 to the 1/4" thread mount. And that Insta360 X5 is ready to go. Let's get some test sample footage. Here we go. And now I'll get some shots using the invisible selfie stick just screwed into the end there. Just get some shots from that point of view, and I'll do the exact same on the rear of the bike. And when I start biking, I'm going to be attaching it in some different places, as you can see. A wind mic test here. Very windy today. I've got the main screen facing me, so that's been interesting to see. To hear me panting, out of breath, and see what this is like. So that's sample footage from the X5 mounted to the chest harness and the bike mount. I think that's rather stable because on some previous models the stabilisation wasn't as good as the X5. And if you're interested in buying this Insta360 bike bundle, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there it'll send you straight to the Insta360 website where you'll be able to purchase it. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.